Welcome back to Huffler Garage. So we have this bass boat that's out in the middle of nowhere, and as you can see, it's got plenty of vegetation, growth inside of it. It has not been on the waters in 26 years. This expiration tag says 2000. It was done in 96. This bass boat has an Evinrude 150 horsepower on it. It busted out the transom, which is why it was parked. You know, the motor was running when it was parked. I think it'd be pretty easy to get running again. And if we get enough likes and comments, we'll actually restore the boat. If not, and maybe even before we restore the boat, this engine should surely go onto a Chinese rib boat, since we're already in the Chinese boat market. And hey, you know, it has a lot of water inside of it, which means, well, if it holds water, it'll not sink in the water. Oh man, there's so many bugs. We're actually getting it up right now. So, like and comment, tell us what you think about it. Maybe we'll pull this thing out, clean it up, and get her prepped for the water. Well, if we can't get that boat running, maybe we can get that paddle boat running. There's a wood splitter here. A lot of vegetation. Lots of vegetation.